Hello, I am DaiKerra Sweat, and today's topic in my research is sex ed, know your status, HIV/AIDS awareness among African American undergraduate students attending a historically Black college and university. I am the researcher and I attend Fisk University. My purpose is that it's really important that this study has been done because 1 in 7 Blacks, African Americans with HIV are unaware they have it. People who don't know they have HIV cannot take advantage of HIV care and treatment and may unknowingly pass HIV to others. Doing this study will raise HIV/AIDS awareness among African American undergraduate students attending a historically Black college and university. The study will encourage African American undergraduate students attending a historically Black college and university to know their status. The demographics. The population for this educational intervention is African American undergraduate students attending at HBCU. The number of people expected was around 50. However, we had 76 to 78 participants, and they were all ages 18 and older that attended a historically Black college and university. The gender targeted was both males and females, and the socioeconomic status of participants was associated with poverty, including limited access to high-quality healthcare, housing, and HIV prevention education. Directly and indirectly increase the risk for HIV infection and affect the health of people living with and at risk for HIV. The race targeted was African Americans. The method. The first intervention participants were recruited through multiple methods of social media. This included Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. These methods included flyers, social media, emails, and through email distribution lists, and word of mouth. Participants completed a pretest upon arrival, and then the pretest provided a baseline which measured HIV/AIDS knowledge before. The intervention featured a presentation from a healthcare educator from a Black-owned community partner called bcondoms, who emphasizes in protecting the culture. At the end of the intervention, participants were asked to complete a post-test. It measured knowledge gained from the intervention. All who completed the post-test became eligible to participate in a gift card raffle. The data collected from the project was stored on an external drive and kept in a confidential space in Meharry Medical College building office. If you look at our outcomes, you'll see the pretest. The question was asked, having a sexually transmitted disease like genital herpes or syphilis makes it easier to get HIV virus. You'll see some said they didn't know, maybe, yes or no. When you take a look at your left, you'll see the HIV post-test. 100 people said yes, they know. This right here shows that an intervention worked. This shows that people did not know what they did not know in the beginning, but due to my intervention and being educational, we had everyone say that yes, they know the answer to having unprotected sex with someone who is transmitted disease, that it's easier to get herpes. If you look at the pretest, you'll see that 78 people responded and the post-test 76. So it's pretty consistent within the numbers. Also, if you are able to click on this, you'll see the job form report, which shows you all the questions so that you can compare and contrast. The outcomes was this educational intervention was to increase knowledge of HIV/AIDS awareness facts among African American undergraduate students attending a historically Black college and university. I wanted to eliminate myths and rumors about the disease, and sexually active students will have the opportunity to get tested. There's a few graphics and visuals from the event that we had. Let's talk about sex with the bcondoms partner that came out from Atlanta, Georgia. This was super successful because it not only wasn't engaging, but it was fun. We had discussion questions, we had food, and then we talked about sex, but made people get comfortable with being uncomfortable, and it was okay in a safe space to talk about sex and HIV/AIDS awareness. Lessons I learned was that I have learned that people do not know what they don't know. And so it's important for the community and ourselves to continue to educate and ask questions so that we inform the next generation about safe sex and spread knowledge on HIV/AIDS awareness along with sexual health. Thank you, partners. Thank you, Meharry Medical College, bcondoms, Fisk University, HBCU Wellness Project. Thank you all.